In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video to have green screen on CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to take any clip, cut out the subject, and place it on a solid green background so it's ready for Chroma keying in any editor or to share as a green screen asset. First, open CapCut. You can use the desktop editor or the mobile app. Both work well for this. Create a new project and set your aspect ratio to match where you'll post the video, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical platforms. This just keeps everything framed correctly from the start, so you won't have to recrop later. Next, add your video. Import the clip and drag it onto the timeline. Before you do any effects, it's worth trimming the ends and cutting out any takes you don't need. Clean footage with good lighting makes the background removal much more accurate. If your subject blends into the background, consider slightly boosting contrast or exposure, so the edges are clearer. Small tweaks here can save time later. Now, remove the background. Click to select your clip in the timeline, then look for the Cutout or Remove Background option. In CapCut, this is an AI tool that automatically detects the person or main subject and separates it from the original background. If you see options for strength or edge refinement, start at the default and adjust only if you notice jagged outlines or missing bits. You don't need to draw a mask manually. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. Give it a moment to process. The app will analyze your clip frame by frame. Keep CapCut in the foreground and avoid switching apps while it works to prevent delays. If your device is older or the clip is very long, this might take a little longer. That's normal. Once it's finished, scrub the timeline and check the edges around hair, hands, and fast motion. A quick playback helps you catch any flicker or leftover background. Finally, add a green background. Insert a new color clip or background layer and set the color to bright chroma green. Something close to pure green works great. Place this green layer underneath your cutout video so it fills the entire frame, then extend it to match the length of your clip. If the subject looks too harsh against the green, a tiny bit of feather on the cutout edge can make it look cleaner without changing the process. That's it. Your video now has a solid green screen and is ready for chroma key in any editor.